Were you not quite ready for educating your child at home? Thrust into this a bit too quickly? Feeling overwhelmed? Not to worry, we've got you covered. Hello, I'm Samantha from Learning Success, and welcome to Educating at Home, an initiative by Learning Success to help you become the expert educator for your child. It may not feel like it, but research shows that parents can truly be the best educators. We'll be creating new videos every day to make sure you have the knowledge you need to rock this. Make sure to watch them all, and your child is sure to get the best education possible. Today's video is from Solomon Brenner. Solomon Brenner has been guiding families to live up to their potential for 25 years through his teaching with ActionKarate.net. Action Karate combines the physicality of martial arts with the life skills of the most successful. Solomon also is the author of the best-selling book, Black Belt Parenting, The Art of Raising Your Child for Success. Let's see what Solomon has to say about educating at home.
Hi, so we're all been thrust into this home schooling situation, and this requires a whole new set of skills, but most importantly requires the old set of skills we've always really had, right? I want to talk today about just being back to the basics. So number one, as a parent, before you could be a great teacher, you got to take care of yourself completely. So what does that mean? We all have heard on the airplane, when the mask drops down, you can put your oxygen on first before you can help somebody else, right? You can't give your best unless you are your best. So as a parent, I know everybody, instinct is just to do everything for your kid, and you do need to do that, but you need to first make sure you're your best. So what makes sure you're the best? Number one, eating healthy. And I know now, like comfort food, it's a little bit more fun, but we gotta make sure we're eating healthy most of the time. If you mess up a little bit, that's okay. Number two, you wanna make sure that you are getting enough sleep. That means 8 to 9 hours a night. And if you're thinking, oh, I don't need that or whatever, studies show if you think you don't need it, it's only because your body's used to performing at a lower level, right? So if you want to perform optimally, 8 or 9 hours. And number three, you want to make sure that you are exercising and making your body healthy. So eat, sleep, and exercise for all the moms and dads that are now homeschool teachers. Now let's talk about what the kids should be doing. There's all different ways to improve their learning style. I'm going to give you two. Number one is giving them the two kinds of focus. Focus number one is like intense focus when they're like sitting at their desk, they're sitting at their computer, and they're actually studying. This can only be done for about 25 minutes, and then you take a break. So set an alarm, 25 minutes, take a walk. When you're doing the other walking, so that goes from focused learning to diffuse learning. Diffuse learning is when you're not even thinking about it, but here's what's cool. The studies show your brain is actually percolating through that the entire time, right? So instead of being focused the entire time where you're staring at a screen, taking a walk, doing some exercise, in our case, we have a lot of martial arts students, we suggest they train the martial arts students. Number two for the kids is making sure that they're sharpening their saw. And what that means is you wouldn't send somebody out to go cut down a lot of trees with a saw that was not fully sharpened, right? You would want to make sure that that saw was sharpened before they started, right? They could be hacking all day, but unless it's sharp, it's not going to be as efficient as possible. What sharpening the saw means to us is that they're learning study skills, but they're also, more importantly, learning confidence in themselves that they can memorize. So whatever activities, whether it's martial arts or something else, they are learning that if they're good at this thing, they can be good at this thing. If they're good at this thing, then they can be good at this thing. So they need to have victory somewhere where they're good at something. So moms and dads, that's your tips for the day. My name is Solomon Brenner. Have a great day and good luck.
Thank you, Solomon. It's so true that we need to get back to the basics in this trying time. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share it on social media. Use the hashtag EAH for Educating at Home. And remember, you've got this. The fact that you are here watching this video means you're an amazing parent. And that's a wonderful thing to be.